It's not.
Social cognition, no?
Hello everyone. This is a video of a survey research done on female body stereotypes as seen in Sri Lankan and Nigerian contexts. We've used these 6 figures of female bodies to ask our participants what is your ideal female body type. We used a sample of 70 Sri Lankan women, 77 Nigerian women, 33 Sri Lankan men and 42 Nigerian men. And this is what we've got.
But I can like any see, it depends, right? Yeah. Can I give explanation why I like? Yes. I just choose, right? Yeah. It doesn't matter the shape, right? But I can like any of this because either I like this or this, right? One day I will still see this, right? So the shape will keep on changing, so it doesn't matter. But for now, I will go for this.
The research is based on the female body stereotype, the type of image guys want. When we first started this research, actually I was not expecting much from this research. I was thinking maybe most guys think the same way when it comes to women body, like they like modeling type. And then to my surprise, when we were talking about comparison of African to Asian, I realized that their body stereotype when it comes to choosing is very, very different. When we talk about Africa, most especially in Nigeria, when I was doing the research, I was able to interview some guys, and some people don't have a choice actually when it comes to women, while some people do. When it comes to lady, I observed that in Asia, in Sri Lankan context, most ladies they are actually going for the modeling structures.
Number 3. Mostly girls choose slim.
And why?
Why?
Slim.
Slim. Slim.
Slim and
But it's not the same to Nigerian choice. When it comes to ladies actually tend to choose the type of body they are having at that particular time. So they are choosing that structure, like they appreciate themselves the way they are. For example, if you are fat, they tend to choose the fat image. There is something I observed that is very funny. Those guys, when they choose the type of body image they prefer, when they are given their reasons, they were saying the number 3 or 1 look more healthier than the others. So in this type of thing, I sense bias and then prejudice.
Why is that?
why?
Because in men, the slim body is very good for healthy. It is healthy according to the.
Because
It looks healthy.
And then how can they know when somebody is not healthy and healthy? Being fat does not mean somebody is not healthy. It can be to their gene, and then the breast also depends on the type of gene. And this is a word whereby the cognition level of people, the media have contributed a lot, because the society make us believe this is the type of body image that people should have. Because I remember when interviewing some ladies, especially in Sri Lankan context, they are saying,
I prefer this.
3.
Third
Why?
one. I feel that is the perfect body shape. It should be to a lady.
the ideal image should be like this. The word should sound a little bit biased because that is society wants, and that is what the media have been advertising. That when we look at so many advertisements, we see that there are so many people, the image structure of the models, that this should be the part, this should be the kind of structure that people should have. And then based on this, it has changed the cognition level of so many ladies and guys out there that my ladies or my girl or my future wife should be like this. And in fact, it's actually contributing to home breakage. Maybe when they marry, the woman have a kind of structure, and then at the end of the day, maybe after one child or two child, the woman tends to have a big structure. and the guys get tired of the girl easily and marry another woman. I think they are actually looking for the structure, not the attitude in women. In my own view, I think there is no ideal body structure. It's only what the media or the society have put into our brain that we tend to follow. According to some people, like few people, like 2 or 3, they say there is no ideal body type.
Well, I can't call it ideal because there isn't anything. You can't define what an ideal body is. It's just that comparing all this, maybe
Now, I'm so happy to be part of this research because it was very interesting getting out there to know the cognition level of people and the level to which the media or the society have affect their cognitive level. Conclusively, I think we should contribute to outside there that all these things we are thinking is just in our brain.
These 2 out. This is out. And then this one. 4.
Why?
These are the reasons you don't like big hips, big breasts, and tummy.
Yeah.
So which one do you prefer?
This one.
Fourth one.
And why? That's the reason.
It's not too much.
Moderate.
Thank you.
Sister? This. 1. Why is 1? Why is 1? Why is 1? Why do you choose 1?
When we compare this, it's not fat, it's not thing, moderate, no?
Moderate. You want to look like?
Yeah, I want to look like this.
Okay, not the way you look.
Okay then. Thank you.
Let's now take a look at the overall result. The majority preference to figure 3 is seen among both samples of men and the Sri Lankan sample of women. However, the preference of the Nigerian women spread almost equally across all 6 figures. The reason for this, as explained by Mercy, is that the Nigerian girls preferred an image that represented themselves, while most of the Sri Lankan women seem to have selected an ideal image that they had in their heads instead of how they themselves looked like. In summary, according to the majority of responses, an ideal body image seems to exist that which correlates with the image that media and the culture represents as an ideal. Our sample included participants aged between 20 to 50. The exclusion of adolescent participants seems like a limitation in this study. Another observation made in this study was that the older population seemed to be reluctant in choosing a body image. We received answers such as, "I cannot choose, I am happily married." This can be seen as a very cultural reason as why not to select a woman out of the pictures given. The younger population, however, had no resistance. In conclusion, we could say that having an ideal body image is definitely not a crime, as long as people don't go to extremes to achieve this so-called ideal. What matters is that people follow a healthy diet and exercise in order to stay healthy and achieve a personal ideal that you yourself can be comfortable with.
Like, which body type do you think is the ideal
For you.
Yeah, for you.
for
For
you?
me, no one, I think.
Already said.